Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking down the tent and it has been raining. Also, I think my air mattress now has a hole in it, so I deflated it and I'm probably going to ultimately have to do something different with that. But for now, I'm just gonna get everything kind of dried out as much as I can. Then I'm gonna set it on the picnic table and roll it up. So we'll see what happens. Dry off anything inside that's wet. Because the mattress was right up against it, it pulled it out and that made it leak in through the rainfly, so I have to clean up some stuff. I'm definitely gonna have to take this out once I get back to base camp and clean it because it's got juicy in here. Definitely gonna have to wash these guys. Okay, the tent is still wet, so there's nothing I can do about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it in its dry bag, and that way I can wipe everything down later. And I'm gonna go ahead and go once over it again. But for the time being, these things at least are good to go. So that part's done. Next, we gotta get all of this into this tiny bag without getting super soaked. I've already had to roll up my pants this morning so they wouldn't drag on the ground because they're long. So this is very interesting. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down one more time as I put it into the bag. And that way it'll get a little bit more of the moisture off. So anything that touched the table, it's not terrible, but it's not great. I'm thinking if I can throw it kind of in here, I can squish it down. And that'll keep me from getting as gross, but we'll see. It's still a little bit big. I'm gonna have to roll it. Let any air out that I can. And then put this over the end. We'll see. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be in there because I have to take it out anyway. Ooh. There we go. Okay, that's gonna be gross. This thing is also going to be gross. But at least until I can get somewhere dry, this will work. I'm gonna leave it where it can vent quite a bit, but I'm gonna push the air out as much as possible to see if water collects. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's anything else I can throw up on the roof from my bag of costumes. Okay, I gotta grab my things off the table in a moment, but I just went and took a shower, so I'm gonna go get dressed. I feel much better. I feel very awake. And I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start the van so it can start like getting a little less condensation on the windows, and I'll get dressed while that's happening. Plus that'll give me an opportunity to check to see if the batteries are getting topped off. I also need to take out my trash before I leave. So those are the 3 things on the agenda, and then I'm off toward Kansas City. Okay, this one's charging. We're starting off at 70% right now. So I'm just trying to get this one up a little higher. This thing has been doing really, really well. It hasn't been warm or anything. So the compressor on the fridge is turned off and on, and everything has continued to be super, super good. So I'm very happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and hang my towel up from my clips so it can dry while I'm driving. There we go. Okay, everything is in place, I think. I went ahead and grabbed some sunglasses so I could have them out, but I do need to brush this hair. Oh, it's going to be an interesting one. The windshield is still a bit wild, so I don't know what to do exactly. I guess I could turn it up, but I'm not sure. I decided against putting on any makeup this morning just because I'm just gonna let my hair dry for a little bit. I might put some makeup on after, I'm not sure, just like some moisturizer and mascara, but I look awake, so that's good. But my nose is a little red as always, so I might do that just to cover up the redness on my nose. I'm not sure, we'll see. Right now though, I have about 3.5 hours to drive. I have already put everything in place. I grabbed one of these. This is just a Winco protein bar. We're gonna see if it's any good today. I'm gonna have that in just a few minutes. I already have filled up my water and everything is good. I have gas. I shouldn't need to stop for a little bit, so I'm just going to start driving toward Kansas City and we'll see what happens next. I don't know what today's gonna look like. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get rained on or not. The tent is a little bit more wet than I normally would like it to be, but can't do anything about that. Just kind of gotta wait it out. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so I thought about initially staying another day and then just packing it up tomorrow, but now it's gonna rain, so that would not work. Story of your life when you tent camp. So it is what it is. It worked out for what I needed it for, and that is perfect. And now I need some lotion. I need some lotion. So we'll do that, and then I'm hitting the road. I'm very excited. However, this is gonna be kind of a tedious driving day. It's not that it's super, super long. 3.5 hours is super doable. That's one of the shorter driving days. In fact, just to get up here, I drove 8.5 hours. So way shorter than that, but I'm gonna be driving toward the city, and the city traffic starts picking up. So it's a little bit different. So I got to do that, and then I'm gonna sit down and work a bit this evening after my friend goes to work, and then whenever they get off work, we're just gonna have a good time. So it should be fun. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be there again for the next couple days, probably at least, maybe a little bit longer, depending on the weather. I don't know what I'm gonna get into. Just gonna be real, but it's gonna be fun to get there and just kind of chill for a little bit. And if it's cozy vibes like this, maybe we'll just like do movies or something. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to hit the road, I think. Trying to see if there's anything else that I'm missing. It feels like I'm missing something else because I had all these extra steps. Oh no. I simply don't know. I didn't put on any moisturizer on my face, so maybe that's what I'm lacking. You know what? I'm gonna wait on that. I'll wait until I stop and then I'll do a refresh with everything. Super overcast overall, just super, super great today, which makes me think that my song today needs to be Gary Allen's Songs About Rain. It just seems like an appropriate song. Okay, I'm about 92 miles away from where I'm going, and I decided this was a good place to get some gas, just because that way I don't have to get it in the city, so that will help me out quite a bit. So, just got to get myself together to do that. It has dried out quite a bit in this area. It's still pretty cloudy, but it's not like wet like it was in Branson, so I'm optimistic that maybe, just maybe, the things that I put in here will dry out. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to take these out of my bag, woohoo, because I don't need them right now. So I'll put them up there. We will grab out all the soggy things. Oh, and I gotta put my regular wallet back in here again. So I guess I will throw away all the things that I don't need that were in my bag that got wet. So this is a good time to just like clean some things out. I need to keep this, but everything else can go away. And then I'll grab my wallet because I never changed everything back out. It's in the back seat. So we have a task to do while we're here, and then I'm holding this. This is not mine. I need to give this back today. Okay, good to know. We have a plan. Also, I had to find my debit card. Whew! Whenever we change things up in the bag, that always throws me kind of off. So it is what it is. Okay, here we go. Into here, and then I put my wallet up here somewhere just for storage. Okay, gas is pumping, so I should be done pretty soon. Got everything taken out. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else that I need to throw away. I think I'm good to go, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna cross our fingers that we don't need to do any more things. Otherwise, drive hasn't been too bad. It's been just pretty much cruise control the whole way. Good boy. Okay, that's done. 2186, and now I'm back on the road again. It's been kind of chaotic just because, like, let's just be honest, this weekend just in general was chaotic. It rained, which made it weird. I had my bag. Jason did not have his like carry thing, so he just like basically gave me anything that was loose and was like, hey, can you put this in there? Sure, sure. So I ended up carrying cash for both of us. And whenever it was time for him to leave, I didn't think about the fact that I still had things in his car. So like he has some of my stuff, I have some of his stuff. And it was just really chaotic because by the time that he got there, it was literally hit the ground running. And then we had so much fun, but it was in such a short amount of time. In fact, I was kind of like recapping all the things that we did in such a short span. And you guys think that I move fast, but oh my gosh, my life is always really fast and chaotic anyway. So just for a rundown, he arrived, we left. We ended up driving an hour to Eureka Springs. We went to the zombie crawl, immediately got there, put on our costumes, hiked up the hill about a mile, hiked back down the hill a mile. We ended up going to the cat house and then this other place to check them out because after the crawl, you like to let everybody filter out and you just kind of want to, you know, hang out for a few minutes. We then got back to Branson, went to this place called Area 71. That's where we went to the live music. And then after that, we went to a place called the Summit. And then we ended up at Denny's before we went to our camp. This was all in a span from about 3:30 to 1:30 in the morning. So that's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of moving parts. And so in doing so, I get why there was chaos in the end. It totally makes sense. But this morning I started off with more chaos, just having to pack up the soggy tent, having to do all those things. And so I'm ready to just not have chaos for a couple days. Just maybe take it slow, maybe chill. I don't know. So we'll see. But it has definitely been a fun ride. At the same time, I have filmed probably less than I normally do, only because it's just been nonstop go, go, go. And so it's just been interesting, but this is how my life looks a lot of times. I think I am going to pull away from this gas pump really quickly and just, well, I don't know, maybe I might actually just go like this. I was going to put on some tinted moisturizer because my nose is red, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, you know, your friends see you with and without makeup all the time. So I think I'm just gonna go like this and maybe put some more stuff on my lips. My lips have been super, 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 super dry, and with the rain and everything, it's just been a little wild. So, you know, we'll try to make sure that we don't end up with like cracked lips or anything, because that's not fun. So got this, we got this, we can do this. And then we're gonna hit the ground running again, because that's what we do. It's the best thing on earth. Like, just being able to have the flexibility to go see friends in different places and then just hang out is awesome. But then also being able to spend time doing really weird, really niche things like the zombie crawl with friends in different places is the best. So with that, it is time for us to drive this last little jaunt. I need to fix my pants though. Something is weird. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Let me fix this. Okay, that's all better. Come to find out, when I buttoned my pants earlier, they got stuck on my shirt. So the shirt was buttoned into the pants, which explains why every time I'd move, I'd be like, why are my pants moving? It was because the shirt was moving. Love that. Love that for me. Anyway, it is what it is. Today's just gonna be one of those days. Let's hit the road. Okay, I made it to Kansas City and I stopped by my friend's house. He has to work till 10. So I drove over to pick up some Chipotle so that I could have some dinner. I'm going to set up my situation where I can work, because right now it's only 3:50. So from 4 o'clock until close to 10 o'clock, I'm going to work, which means I'm going to get my laptop out. I've already got the Wi-Fi and everything like that. So we're just going to dive in, do those things. I'm going to watch a football game or 2 or 3 or whatever. So it should be pretty fun. I just have to get back to the house now. And this is the part that I wasn't like as comfortable with, because like I don't know my way around Kansas City very well. So I GPS'd it. On my way over, I found that there was construction on the path that I was on. So I'm gonna have to take a different path to get back. So it's gonna be an adventure, but we got this. Let's do this. It should be a good day. I am very excited. Go Chiefs, and we'll see what happens. As you're seeing this right now, this game is already passed, but we're gonna be rooting on the Chiefs from Kansas City today. They actually have a game here, so he kind of warned me, don't go anywhere near that area because otherwise traffic's gonna be crazy. Super happy about that. So glad we didn't go in that direction, but for now, I gotta get to the next destination, which is the house. I definitely won't be showing you my friend's house, no offense, but that's his private residence. So nobody needs to know that. So for now, this is just what my life looks like. Today was a lot about just breaking down the tent, putting things up, getting myself in order, driving the 3.5 hours, and then getting here successfully. And now it's just about the relax and the hangout and the chill, and just in time because it is getting quite chilly here. So I'm gonna be inside in the cozy instead of in the van in the chilly, and I'm gonna really like that. So woohoo! But I gotta make it back there first. Remember guys, we're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. I know today wasn't the most exciting day ever, but at the same time, this is just how life is sometimes. Sometimes whenever you're trying to get from point A to point B, it's just the stuff that happens kind of in between. And this morning, the tent. The tent. Till next time, guys. Bye.